Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and that's they call it Cyber Block in Japanese, Suguru. In the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, December the 30th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. Yes, it's the Jigsaw Sudoku number 9819. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Could be the hard one, could be the easy one. Well, the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 13. It's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4-star puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here? Oh, no. Here we have another one, overlooked. Also a 1. More? No. Then the next question, do we have here dual boxes, contains the 1 and the 2. Here dual box, there 2 box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1. We have a 1 here, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Here, insufficient information right now, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Insufficient information right now. I cannot fill those numbers. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Alright, next question. Do we have here quadra box? I see here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. So these 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here. Could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Alright, only 1 quadra box. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Oh, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2 here. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes here? Yeah, another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Only 3 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do you have more of these kind of shapes? Yes. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. Maximum of 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them. 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum of 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, only 2 of them. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes around the 1 can be on 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape is supposed to be there. I think this box will be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And then I think this box will be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then Let me see. These two boxes surround a 5 can be 5. Those two boxes surround a 5 can be 5. So one box left for the 5 in this W area shape supposed to be there. Then, well, come on. This box can be 1, can be 3, can be 4. So 2 numbers left, the tune of 5, tune of 5. So we need a 1 here. In this area. Could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 1 there. If we place a 1 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be so 1. But we already have a 1 here. So it's not a solution. Place the 1 there. The only place left for 1 should be here. So the 2 and the 5 are left as a pair. Is connected with that box with 2 and 5. Is also connected with that box with 2 and 5. Is also connected with that box with 2 and 5. Alright. Then let me see. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 3. So this box can be a 3. We have a 3 here. And that box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place the 3 here, this box is connected with that box. So we saw 3, but we already have a 3 here. So not the solution, place the 3 there. The only place level 3 in this area is supposed to be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there then. Yeah. It's not easy, this one. Not easy. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes, okay? If I place a 1 here, yeah. Cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. Okay, this box is connected with that box, so we saw 1. Okay. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 to 5, 3 to 5. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 3. Well, I cannot place the 2 there. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. The only place left for the 2 in this W area shape supposed to be there. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. Now we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be 3 and more. If I place 3 here, I can fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place level 3 in this area is supposed to be there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Okay. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for 4 in this area is supposed to be there. And if I eliminate here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. I've marked this box with 2 or 5. We have a 5 now, so it can be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be so a 2. Is also connected with that box, should be so 2. Is also connected with this box, should be so a 2. These two boxes can be 1. So 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then. This box can be 5, this box can be 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be in a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 1 and a 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1. Those two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. Then These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So the other pair in this quadra box should be the numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be in the 4 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Then... Come on. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay, these two boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. Come on. These two boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4. That means that those two boxes can be 2 and 4. We have a double 2 there and a double 4 there. So the 2 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So another pair in this area are the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Alright, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Come on. Let me think. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Well, complicated. Here, 4 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Need a 3 here or there. 1, 3. Come on. Well, I think, well. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. 3 or 5, we have 5 now, so this box should be a 3, so 2 numbers left for numbers 4, and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, 4 goes there. Alright, 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, no 1 there, 1 should be here, 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape, supposed to be here. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and a 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. 1 and a 3. I think 2, 5. I need a 3 here or there. Yeah. 2 and a 3. 1, 2, and a 4. Well, this box can be a 4. We have a 4 there, so this box can also not be a 4. If I place a 4 here, then this box should be also a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair, so 1 digit left in this area for number 2 is connected with that box, should be so 2. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so this box should be a 5, is connected with that box, should be so 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Tuna 3, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. And 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, maybe I talk too much, otherwise it will be a 0. Oh no, 1 star. So let me give this a 2 stars here. Not faster than 50 minutes, but we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow, the last day of the month of the year, 31st, yes, 31st. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Monday.